What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. In the last video you guys saw me assembling the long block. In this video I want to head and complete this engine as much as I can without having issues installing the engine in the car. I want to head and put all the brackets, all the pulleys, the water pump, this motor mount, and then I went ahead and put the clutch on. Is a triple disc XD, and the flywheel bolts get torqued down to 96 foot-pounds. These outer bolts get torqued down to 25 foot-pounds. In the back I went ahead and put the water pump tube, and then the oil drain, oil feed, and went ahead put the ignition coils and the knock sensor and the oil pressure sensor. With the transmission I went ahead and installed a new throwout bearing because the old one started making some sound, and this is like while you're in there. And then we have over here the transfer case. So I'm gonna start assembling all these three together so we can have a whole unit to install in the car. So this is how the engine will go back in the car. It will just make it a lot easier for me, and I have a lot of space to do the heater hoses, lines, and everything. And yeah, I'm thinking about putting the downpipe on so I can just like lower the car on it and then just be easier like that, but we'll see. But yeah, engine is looking really nice. I'm really happy with it. So I was able to get the engine in the car, and I went ahead and mostly wired everything in, got everything plumbed. The manifold is in, downpipe is in, oil drain is in over there, and oil feed is right here. I'm really sorry, I thought my phone was recording, but it was not recording. So I didn't really record myself putting in the engine, but it was fairly simple. I slide the engine under the car, lower the car on it, hooked up the two mounts, and that's basically it. And I went ahead and start plumbing everything, and you guys saw me taking everything out in the disassembly video. But one thing I did add is the AC. So those are AC lines. I went ahead and put them all the way around. There's one of them over there and one of them over here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working. It's really dark outside, but I got a flashlight, and sadly this is the only time I have to work on the car, but we'll keep grinding. We'll never stop. So I'm gonna start by putting the AC compressor, power steering, and alternator. The alternator needs some cleaning to do, but yeah, let's get those all knocked out, and then we can put the subframe in, and this engine should be all ready to go. So I was able to get the front mount in, and all the couplers are tight. Everything is tight. Everything looking very nice. And now, so tomorrow hopefully I'll start working on the subframe, get that all in, and then hopefully by then we have the crank pulley so we can get this car first start. I'm really excited to see this car back running. I miss this car. It sounds so nice. I love it. I miss it. But we're almost there. Let's just keep working very hard and we'll get there. So we're getting very close to the first startup. I got this Lucas engine braking oil. I went ahead and slapped the subframe on. All the axles are on except the brakes and rotors. They're not on. But all the fuel system is plumbed. Of course the turbo. Look at this. So nice. Actually, I'm not gonna run the filter. So I'm gonna slap some oil in it and then we're gonna start priming everything and then we're gonna do the first start. What sucks about Evos is that you cannot build oil pressure just by cranking. I mean, you can, but it's not a lot. So the steering is not hooked up right now. So I am very nervous. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got oil pressure, 60. AFRs are crazy right now. And there we go. The Evo is finally running and it sounds amazing. I'm not gonna lie, like, oh my God, I miss this car. Like, you guys don't understand. This means a lot to me. Just because, like, it's my baby, you know? After like 2 years of building this car fully from a shell to this, I know, broken hood, I know. But what I was saying is building this car from a shell to this, fully painting the whole car myself, it just, there's nothing better feeling than, you know, you be proud of what you build, you know. And I'm very, very happy that everything went smooth. Of course, this is just a base map, and on the base map is running very nice. So with all of that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and, you know, leave a comment if you guys like how this car sound. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.